So what is the latest development in edge computing?
Well, there's a lot going on. We think this is the next big compute paradigm that is going to hit us as a community. But if I can summarize all the developments, I would say the big development in edge computing is around the use of new techniques like AI and real-time data processing on the edge to get from raw data to insights. Because the insights is what is useful, what is actionable for businesses. And so the faster we can get from raw data to insights and the better systems that we can make to go from raw data to insights, the more successful we'll be.
And what are going to be the major use cases?
Great question. In fact, the use cases vary dramatically from vertical to vertical. So if I were to talk about retail, for example, the use cases are around modernization of retail. And so people are using real-time data processing techniques to understand better customer behavior in brick and mortar retail, how they go around the store and what kind of things they prefer to buy and so on and so forth, or what kind of things they prefer to look at and so on. If you look at manufacturing, there's a lot of investment already in factory automation. And so the manufacturing journey starts from modernizing factory automation, which is how can we get data from almost all the machines that are in the factory. And the second part of the journey is Industry 4.0, which is a very kind of well-known IoT use case, which is about going from raw data to insights using, again, things like data analytics and AI. So use the data that you are getting from factory automation and then use AI to process that data to get insights. Then if I talk about smart cities, for example, that is a dramatically complicated use case because it's a mix of everything. It's a little bit of retail use cases, understanding user behavior, how they move around, etc. Understanding traffic behavior, it's very similar to the user pattern. It's also some factory use cases. If you look at sanitation or environmental protection or pollution monitoring, it's about gathering data from all these sensors